Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to bring your archived post back into your profile. So whenever you archive posts on your Instagram, those posts will be not gonna appear on your profile. For example, here, okay, whenever you open the Instagram, you will be arrived in the home section, but to make sure that, or to access the archive site, just need to go into your profile, and now you just need to go click these three straight lines, and after that you just need to follow this informations pop up and go find the archive button. In this archive button, just click it, and after that make sure that here is a post archive, because when you click it you will explore. There will be a stories archive, post archive, and live archive. Since we want to bring back the post archive, make sure you click the post archive. Now you just need to choose which post that you want to bring back into your profile. For example, I would like to bring these pictures back into my profile. You just need to click this content, go click these three small dots, and after that go click show on profile. And now those content or those posts will be appear on our profile back. Let's check it. You can see the content is already here. So that's all the way how to bring back your archived content or archived posts on your Instagram. If you found out this tutorial useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.